Now it's time to test your soldering job to make sure that all 64 LEDs light up. This is really important, and you must do this before you add this to the circuit board. To perform the test, you're going to need your battery pack and a black alligator clip, and of course, the cube that you're testing. Begin by taking your black alligator clip, connect it to the negative wire or the negative line of the battery pack. You're going to take the other end and you're going to connect it to any of the craft wires on the first or bottom layer. If you remember, each of these craft wires connect the negative leads on all of the rows together. Now make sure your battery pack is on. Now before you take the positive line of the battery pack and apply power to this LED cube, you need to make sure that there's a resistor on this one. If you don't and you apply power to it, you're going to fry all 64 LEDs in one go. At this point, you're going to connect the positive line of the battery pack to the positive lead on the top. And if you did this right, the LED on the very bottom should turn on. You're going to do this for all 16 lights. So that one on the bottom turns on. Next, disconnect the negative and attach it to one of the craft wires on the second layer. Now we're going to go test the second layer. So again, you're going to put the positive lead on the top, and it should be the LEDs on the second layer that light up. Do the same thing for the third row. Again, you're connecting the negative to the craft wire on the third layer. And finally, the craft wire on the fourth layer. I've tested all 64 lights. This LED cube is good and ready to be added to your circuit board.